Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So if you just recently bought the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and you want to know how to turn it on, then let me show you how to do this. So here we have the Redmi Note 14 Pro, and to turn it on, you need to go ahead and locate the power button, which is right here. This is your volume up, volume down, and then your power button. So to turn it on, go ahead and hold it until you see the Redmi logo. Once you see the logo, release it and let that load. Now, since this is a brand new phone, I'll show you in the next video how to set it up. So there you go guys, that is how to power on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.